So in this video, we're going to cover how you can use this 100% free bot to make hundreds of dollars a day passively because the bot does all of the hard work for you. And I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Now, obviously, you don't need any previous experience for this, and it works all over the world and in all countries. And I just want to show you that this absolutely free bot is literally trusted by over 50 million people across the world, and it gets 41 million monthly visits. So if you want to know how you can use this free tool to get hundreds of dollars daily in passive income, watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars daily in passive income using this free bot. And for step 1, go over to a website called Clipvoice, which is clipvoice.com. This is the website which will actually pay you in real money. So no points, no coins, no gift cards, but real hardcore cash, which you can then spend on whatever you want to. So for step number 1, just go over to clipvoice.com. And according to SimilarWeb, Clipvoice is being visited by almost 300,000 people on a regular monthly basis. And they're coming from top tier countries like the United States and the United Kingdom. Like 33% is coming from the United States and 3% from the United Kingdom, which is really good. Now don't worry, as I said, you don't have to do any of the work yourself because the bot that I'm going to show you will do everything for you on complete autopilot. But what exactly is Clipvoice? Basically, Clipvoice is a place where companies, business owners, and entrepreneurs come to hire everyday people like me and you to write content for them, to write articles and blog posts, and they're willing to pay you hundreds of dollars for each article that's submitted for them. Now, you don't need any writing skills for this because you won't be writing those articles yourself. I'm going to give you a tool which is professionally going to do all of the work for you, and it's proven to get some decent results for a lot of people across the entire globe. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to use any PLR articles or anything like that because that doesn't necessarily work anymore. But I have a brand new bot that we never talked about earlier, which is going to do the work for you with just one click of a button. It literally requires just one click to set it all up. It's going to work for you and you can get paid again and again with clipvoice.com. Now, just as you land on clipvoice.com, if you hover your mouse on Talent Network, you'll be able to see that they have different categories. So you can write different articles in categories like advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and much more. So they'll cover all these different categories on clipvoice.com. But anyway, next thing you need to complete is to come over to clipvoice.com and sign up by hovering your mouse over the Talent Network and then click Join the Talent Network. Then that's going to take you over to this page where you can find out more about all of the benefits you have by working as a freelancer on Clipvoice. And we'll be specifically focusing on writing those articles, which can sometimes literally get you paid to over $500 per article that you write. And if you stay until the end of the video, you'll actually get a bot which will do all of that work for you. It's going to write those professional articles for you for absolutely free in any niche, so you can charge other people hundreds of dollars for those articles and make money every single day. So you'll see exactly how that works. But first of all, you need to sign up to Clipvoice as a freelancer by entering your full name in these two boxes. And once you sign up to clipvoice.com, this is what your account is going to look like. Here goes your name. In my case, that's Mark McGuire. And here on the left-hand side, you have your socials. You can add your YouTube account if you have one, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. The more of them you add it, the better because it increases the chances of getting hired and the more money you'll make. So I highly recommend you add as many social accounts as you possibly can. To add or change your profile picture, you just click on Edit Info right here and just upload whatever profile picture you want. The higher quality of your profile picture, the better, because that also increases your chances of getting hired. And again, the more money you can make. Now, before we proceed to the free bot, which is going to do all of the work for you so you can get paid hundreds of dollars a day hands-free, I just want to show you something. Not only can you set your own rate and set exactly how much you want to get paid per article, whether that's going to be $100, $200, or $500, you can set your own rates. So you decide what you want to get paid and you'll get paid quickly, meaning that you don't have to wait days, weeks, or months to get paid, but you can actually get paid instantly directly to your PayPal account. Work with confidence, you'll get paid on time. So you'll always get paid on time with Clipvoice.com. And you can collect all your earnings with PayPal, which means that you can collect some free PayPal money with this strategy. And just before we start using this absolutely free bot, which is going to do the work for you, I just want to show you proof that this actually works. So here's one of the many freelancers that are using Clipvoice to make money by writing articles. And you can see that this person has a lot of them written in their CV. So each of these articles made him hundreds of dollars. But just for example, let's say he only made $100 per article. That's going to be $400 for these 4 articles, another $400, that's already $800, $1,200, so on and so forth. He sold a lot of different articles with his Clipvoice account. But the thing is that he wrote those articles himself. He probably spent hours, if not even days, writing those articles. It's really complicated. It required a lot of time, effort, knowledge, and experience to do this. But you won't have to do any of that because I'm going to show you this absolutely free bot, which is going to do it for you. So this is just a reminder that this actually works and that people are making hundreds to thousands of dollars with these articles on Clipvoice.com. Now, to officially get started and start making money with Clipvoice, you need to go back to your account and you'll need to complete your CV. As you can see, for me, it's at 15% right now because I only have my name and my profile picture. So the more details you fill out, the more it improves your CV. And once you have it at 100%, you'll be able to start making money. Now, to improve your CV, you just need to start adding content. So right here, you have a button to add content, to paste the URL to the article that you wrote, or just go to upload the article that you previously wrote. Now, I know you might be thinking right now, okay, but I don't have any articles to show that I'm qualified for this job. But don't worry, because you can also get that done for free. Let me show you how you can do it. And by the way, this is also a place where you can submit those articles in order to get paid. So this is a place where you actually earn money. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So for the next step, you'll need to start using Google. So just go over to google.com and think of whatever niche that you want to focus on. Whether that's artificial intelligence and technology, whether it's business and finance, gaming, fishing, photography, health and fitness, whatever niche that you want to focus on. Let's say, for example, that I want to focus on a business niche. So I'll search for business, and I'll actually search for business tips for beginners. But you can, of course, search for any niche keyword phrase that you prefer and in any niche that you like. And once you search for that keyword, that's going to give you all of these different articles that you can use. And every time you search, there'll be new fresh articles because Google keeps everything updated, so you'll never run out of articles that you can use to make money. Now, I know this all sounds a little bit confusing, but just stay with me because I'm going to explain step by step how to actually do this. Because you can't just copy and paste someone's article on Clipvoice, because that'll obviously get you into some serious copyright issues and you won't be able to make any money. So pay close attention so you can see exactly what needs to be done. Let's say, for example, I like this article. I'll open it up and it's going to be right here. So what you simply need to do is copy this article part by part. Let's say, for example, this is part number 1. I'll copy this first part of the article, and this is like the intro to the article, which in this case is the 10 top business tips for starting a business that will succeed. I'll copy this, then I'll proceed to the absolutely free bot, which is going to rewrite this text for me with a single click of a button. So let me show you how it works. The bot that we talked about is called Quillbot.com. This is where you can basically paste in whatever text you want. You can even upload an entire document, then click on paraphrase, and with one click of a button on the right hand side, you'll have a rewritten original text, which you can now use as your own because it's completely rewritten for you. So let me show you how this works. I'll just paste that part of the article which I copied previously, and then I'll hit paraphrase right here, and now you'll be able to see that it's being rewritten for me with a single click of a button. And not only is it high quality, but it makes this article original and unique, so now I can use it as my own. So what you'll simply need to do is copy this rewritten part, go to Google Docs, and paste that part of the article in a blank document. Then go back to the article, take one more part. For example, I'm going to copy this, paste it in Quillbot. And by the way, if you're not signed in to Quillbot, which is also absolutely free, You're limited to 125 words per submission, which is why we're copying and pasting this article in parts. So I'll just click on paraphrase right here, and it's going to rewrite this part as well. So you can do this part by part and repeat this process until you have the entire article rewritten for you. So now I'm going to copy this, go back to Google Docs, and paste it below the first part of the article. So copy one part of the article at a time, then place it in Quillbot and let it rewrite it for you with just one click of a button, which literally takes less than 5 seconds of work, and then take that rewritten text, paste it into Google Docs. And just like that, create an entire article written for you. This entire process should take you no longer than 10 minutes. Once you're done, you can now save this to your computer by clicking on the File button, and underneath the File button, you'll have the Download button. And you can download it however you prefer, but I'll just download it as a PDF document. Now you can go back to clipvoice.com, go to your account, click on Add Content right here, and click on Upload or drag and drop a file. So I'll upload my file that I downloaded from Google Docs. It's going to start uploading, and I can select a category. This is in the finance category, so I'll select personal finance or even business finance, and I'll leave it like this. You can fill out more details, write a brief description if you want to, and then you just hit update. It's literally as simple as that, and it'll explain to you exactly how this works. You can also change the name of your document. You can add an image, which is also really good and preferable. So I highly recommend that you add an image for all of your articles because that'll make them more clickable. And to find a good image that's absolutely free, you can just go to pexels.com and you can just come over here, go to the search bar, search for business finance or whatever your article is about. And that's going to give you all of these different photos, which you can use for free. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one. I'll click on free download, and now I have my image that I can use on clipvoice.com. So I can just click on change image right here, upload it, and save this article. It's really, really simple. The more you do it, the better you become and the more money you make. That's exactly how all of these people are making thousands of dollars for their articles. But for them, it's probably hours or days of work. And for you, it can literally take you less than 10 minutes of work with an absolutely free bot that'll rewrite the articles for you. And you're all set. I hope this idea has stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, just leave a comment below. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.